While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. In 2020, theater students at Radford and Virginia Tech chose an interactive online format to present a play about women suffrage activists. Their Women and the Vote website featured an interactive digital drawing of a Victorian-style house. Audiences were asked to focus on a room of their choice and select from that room an artifact related to the suffrage movement. One click took them to video clips, songs, artwork, and texts associated with the artifact. The play was popular with audiences because the format allowed them to control the experience. The student wants to explain an advantage of the Women and the Vote format. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? A. Women and the Vote featured a drawing of a Victorian-style house with several rooms, each containing suffrage artifacts. B. To access video clips, songs, artwork, and texts, audiences had to first click on an artifact. C. The Women and the Vote format appealed to audiences because it allowed them to control the experience. D. Using an interactive format, theater students at Radford and Virginia Tech created Women and the Vote, a play about women suffrage activists.
So in question number 32, student is again researching a topic and he has taken the following notes. Women and the Vote and all the other information. And he wants to explain an advantage of Women and Vote format. So what is the advantage? Which is the choice which most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? So you can see that the Women and Vote website, it featured interactive digital drawing of the Victorian-style house, and one click took them to video clips, songs, artwork, and it was very popular with the audiences. So choice C is the best answer. Choice C says the Women and Vote format appealed to the audiences because it allowed them to control the experience. The sentence explains an advantage of the Women and Vote format, noting that the format appealed to audiences because it allowed them to control the experience. Because they are able to click and go to wherever they want. Related to that artifact, they can read a text or see a video or listen to the song, see some artwork. So they are able to control the experience.
Choice A is incorrect. The sentence describes a digital drawing on the Women and the Vote website. It doesn't explain an advantage of the play's format. Choice B is incorrect. The sentence explains how audiences interacted with the Women and the Vote website. It doesn't explain an advantage of the play's format. Choice D is incorrect. While the sentence mentions that Women in the Vote had an interactive format, it doesn't explain what advantage this format might have.